How to free up space on Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then navigate to the device care section. And here you will be able to use a lot of options that will all allow you to free up some space on your Android phone. The first one is the optimization option, which will clear up any battery or security issues. As you can see. And the second option is the storage option, from which you will be able to clear your storage such as images, videos, audios, and etc. from the elements that you don't want. And also you can clear up your trash and your unused apps, etc. And the third option is the memory option, from which you will be able to clear any cache or stop the some background apps, etc. As you can see. And by doing all of these steps combined, you will be able to free up and clear a lot of space on your Android phone. So go ahead and play around with that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can free up some space on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.